Nursing is caring and showing your patients you are there for them. It's the fact that just sitting there and talking to your patients can make their day 100%.
To me, nursing is the way you care for people physically and emotionally. It should not be just a job. Each person should be just as special as the last and be treated with the same love and respect you would show a friend or a family member.
In my opinion, nursing is setting aside your own emotions and problems to put your patient's need above your own. Nursing is more of a personality rather than just a career because it requires several different character traits.
Nursing is more than just an occupation. It is a lifestyle. It takes a certain type of person to want to be a nurse. You need to be able to put others first, and you have to genuinely care about others' well-being. Nursing is a challenge that always keeps a person on their toes, but is a very worthwhile cause.
I've wanted to be a nurse since I was young because the nurses that I know exhibit very special personalities, and they have the ability to heal through a direct connection with the patients. I hope that I can bring comfort and support to my patients through kindness like I have seen in other nurses.
Nursing is the art of applying what you have learned to care and provide for a patient. Every person is unique, and as a nurse, you must help an individual in a way that best suits their needs.